It's just a way of attacking wealthy people. And, I think it's inappropriate. We all got to work together and pull together. The reason the market is doing what it's doing is people are sitting at home, getting the checks from the government, okay? And this fair share is a bullshit concept.
Look, do I necessarily know what's going on right now? No, but guess what? My Robinhood is green, so that's all that matters. Yo, after we go to GameStop, I already bought movie tickets. Let's go to AMC. Babe, listen, you break up with me, you break up with a millionaire. You seen my fucking Robinhood profits? It's us versus the fucking hedge fund managers. They're doing the same shit we're doing, just on the opposite level. They're a bunch of fucking bears. Mom, let me hold like $3 grand. Why do I need $3 grand? Blackberry is why I need $3 grand. Come on. Selling? Am I selling? Are you fucking serious? I don't give a fuck if it's at 300 now. I am not selling till 1,000. I'm gonna ride that stock like Piper Perry. No, I understand. BlackBerry hasn't been relevant since 2006. But listen, it doesn't matter. They do something with cars now, we're buying the stock. There's only 3 certainties in life: death, taxes, and Nokia to the moon.
Self-destruct sequence activated. 3, 2, 1.
Is this your homework, Larry?
Ask him about the car, man.
Is this yours, Larry? Is this your homework, Larry?
Is that your car out front?
Is this your homework, Larry?
We know it's his fucking homework. Where's the fucking money, you little brat?
My opinion of Bitcoin is that, I think Bitcoin is probably a good thing.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Johnny here, and it is a wonderful day in crypto land. So if you didn't know, Elon Musk did make it Twitter official. He even put Bitcoin in his profile. And I guess in retrospect, yes, it was absolutely inevitable, Elon. We are so incredibly happy to have you. We won't get into any speculation right now, but this may just start a cascade of investors flowing into Bitcoin and more money flowing into Bitcoin. We had seen the total crypto market cap skyrocket back up over $1 trillion in just a matter of minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So you can see the total crypto market cap has busted out of this contracting triangle here, which is a very bullish continuation pattern. And we are back up over the $1 trillion mark yet again. Thank you, Elon. I wonder how much money exactly he put into Bitcoin, sending this price skyrocketing. Now, he may have been accumulating during this consolidation, or he may have been accumulating long before that. We will never know, but all we know is he is absolutely responsible for this pump. All right, so taking a look here at this Bitcoin 4-hour chart, we've been in this consolidation pattern now. You could call it a bull pennant, a bull flag on higher time frame, or even possibly contracting triangle. But we did, come down and we broke below the 21 daily EMA, which is this green line here. And then you have the dotted line showing the price level that it is at. We did break back across in this double bottom structure. It is holding above the neckline of this double bottom, and things are looking incredibly bullish. Now overhead, we do have some strong resistance right here at the top of this logarithmic growth curve right here, right at 39.97K. And then the next overhead resistance in this logarithmic growth curve is 70.529K. Now, I find these growth curves extremely useful, especially when Bitcoin is in price discovery mode, to give us kind of an idea where price might meet some resistance and slow down and or consolidate a little bit. If we take the 1-to-1 extension here down at the breakout from the previous consolidation right at 17.6, we get a 1-to-1 extension just over $68,000, which should be the measured move of this bull pennant. Now, if we take the measured move of the breakout here down at this consolidation to the top, and then we place the measured move down here at the last touch of the lower trend line, we do get a move up to the 786 extension, just over 56.14 thousand Now, this is pretty incredible. It is pretty exciting. Bitcoin was knocking on the door of this upper trend line for a little bit before it did finally break out. And we saw this massive volume spike right here, confirming this breakout. Now, if you're looking for a re-entry, because we are pretty confident at this point that Bitcoin is going to continue higher. Now, it could continue lower. We'll get into a potential bearish scenario here after this. But if you're looking for a re-entry here, we are looking for the bullish confirmation retest of this upper trend line, which happens to line up with the 21 daily EMA as well as the point of control on the VPVR. So there is a bit of confluence there, letting us know that that might be an outstanding point of reentry if in fact the price does come down and give us this bullish confirmation. There is a very real possibility that it does just continue pushing to the upside. This is some pretty incredible news, so we're going to see a lot of money coming in, especially over these next 3 days. But it looks like right now it's finding some resistance right here at this 236 extension. We do need a candle body close on the other side of this logarithmic growth curve, preferably above the 0.5 fib extension, letting us know that we are going to continue higher. Now, as long as we put in a new all-time high, which is above the $42,000 level, which is right near the 0.5 fib extension, then we are absolutely looking at well, not absolutely, but we are likely looking at higher highs in the very near future. Now, Bitcoin is looking incredibly bullish. Let's go ahead and take a look at the total market cap. So the total market cap did break out of this contracting triangle. I talked about this in the episode yesterday. I said it would possibly be a descending triangle, which was a very real possibility. But when the total crypto market cap got the bounce off of this lower trend line, you did start seeing a bit of a sign that there was some accumulation going on. If we take a look at the DXY, now here is something pretty interesting. So the DXY has been moving to the upside throughout this entire week, and we are now getting a pretty significant pump out of Bitcoin. So we may still see the DXY move pretty strongly to the upside, especially when you consider the fact that the S&P 500 has this massive bearish divergence that still has yet to play out. We saw this one. I mean, I guess you could say that this would be considered the fulfillment of the bearish divergence, but it does look like it is putting in another one here. And if it does start to break to the downside, then that idea will certainly happen. Now, with the GameStop news and all of the craziness surrounding that and the absolute, corruption out of Robinhood and the other trading apps alike, there's likely possibility that we could see some crazy movement in traditional markets over the next couple of days to weeks. So total crypto market cap's looking great. Of course, ETH cap dominance did take a bit of a hit because Bitcoin is getting some love right now. And then if we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, again, this is the daily chart. It's been in this falling broadening wedge for a bit, and then it broke out when we started seeing this massive parabolic rally. And then when Bitcoin started to consolidate after making the all-time high of 42K, we saw this sharp move to the downside, and we had a bit of an altcoin season. And then we did get the bullish confirmation retest of this falling broadening wedge, letting us know that Bitcoin dominance may be heading up significantly further as this parabolic rally continues. Now, you want to make sure that you are watching your positions in altcoins if you are holding altcoins, because as dominance continues to rise, altcoins will indeed take a hit. Now, we knew that this pump was likely en route just from the way that we saw the pumps in altcoins. So, we saw money flow out of Bitcoin into the large caps, then down into the mid-size caps, and then, over the past couple of days, week, 10 days, we've been seeing, lower cap altcoins just absolutely kick some ass. So now, it's time for Bitcoin's time to shine again as people take profits in their lower cap coins, move that back into Bitcoin. And, it's likely that we're going to see this dominance chart continue to the upside, likely, hurting altcoins as it moves further up. Now, there will be a select handful of altcoins that will continue to perform well. Some of of them will even move up with Bitcoin. And, you know, one of them likely being ADA, another one likely being DOT, and of course, Ethereum. Now, we won't go into those charts today. Today is all about Bitcoin, Elon Musk, and really the future of banking. It's an exciting time. I'm happy to be here with you guys and girls. Don't forget to go visit our website at www.3candlecollective.com and check out the intro to trading course that I've been putting together over the last year. I've put a lot of work into this, and I'm really excited to roll this out in the next week or two. If you're interested in taking this online course, go to the website, again, 3candlecollective.com, and request more information. But that's it. Thank you all so much. It's a great day. Thank you, Elon. I'll see you guys tomorrow.